Touwsberg Game Reserve stretches over 7,000 hectares. It's all been agricultural land previously. Each and every owner has got a hectare property for his own development, but each owner share in the whole of the reserve. You come here and you visiting your own game reserve. You've got a sense of ownership, and that's the culture that we live in here.
It was love at first sight. We've just realized how beautiful it was out here, and quiet and peaceful, and the potential for a sort of family getaway place where you're out in nature and it's calm and peaceful and beautiful scenery and the mountains and everything. So that was that. We ended up buying.
Touwsberg, it's really an unbelievable source. It's all located beneath the mountain. We've got a artesian well that flows constant out of the ground, 83 meters deep. It's just boiling out of the earth.
The lifestyle in the Touwsberg Nature Reserve is very self-sustainable. We have fresh water from the mountain. Then we have all the owners in the reserve, they build their houses. So we use solar electricity, wind turbines. Yeah, it's a lifestyle that don't cause any pollution, and it's very, very eco-friendly.
There are no perfect words to try and explain Touwsberg. It doesn't matter how we try and take on this conversation, it's going to not do justice to what Touwsberg has on offer. Touwsberg caters for everyone with different takes on life. Whether you like the mountain views, the deep dark privacy of the cliff, or you're more of a chap that enjoys the Serengeti scenes in the flactors of the Klein Karoo, we cater for both. If you're trying to get a piece of what I'm sharing with you now, there's only one way to do it, is to climb in your vehicle, spend 3 hours on the road, 260 km from Cape Town, bring your family along, and we guarantee you it's not just a home away from home, it's an experience you and your kids will recall forever.